What's up, guys, and welcome back to Umbrella Dad Gaming. Today we are back with more Resident Evil 3. All we have to do is make it through the underground area, a couple boss fights, we should be out of here in no time. With that being said, let's get into it. Alright, so let's go start this thing up. I have 85 shots. That's not where I wanted to go at all. Get out of here. I'm going up here instead. I think there's zombies up here too, but I didn't go back there, so they won't bother me. We'll be friends. Alright, let's see. Let's do this. Is it high, low, medium? No. It's medium, low, high. It's medium, high, low. I knew it was some combination of mid, high, and low. I figured it out. Alright. This is so cool looking. The like purple. Oh, it looks so good. Oh no. Hell's about to break loose again. This seems like literally the worst idea ever. You know how everybody's like, they cut too much content in that game. The next boss fight, where he's like, shoot the barrels of acid, that should have been cut. It sucks. I hate it. Don't care what anybody says. Hate it. Worst boss fight in any game ever. Got him. Except for we didn't. Alright, pull, Jill, pull. Pull, Jill, pull. Also, what the fuck is this? It's gonna blow! Get out of there! Alright, stuff. Alright, more stuff. Okay, so I think we're officially at the point in the game where I have enough of the handgun bullets that I can be like, hey, probably don't need, some of this stuff, you know? So let's take this, let's take this, let's take this, let's... Butts. Alright, let's leave that one. And let's save. We just started. It's been 3.5 minutes. But we're gonna save. Yeah, this boss fight, get rid of it. Give me more of those. Is this reloaded? Yes, it is. Alright. Let's burn him. Burn, baby, burn. Disco Inferno! I hope you guys enjoyed. You'll never hear that again. Is there anything over here? I don't think I've ever come down this hallway. Maybe I'm wrong, but maybe I'm not. Get the antidote, Jill. Also, that vial looks completely different than it did before. It was totally purple before.
The city needs that vaccine.
More than I do. I don't think wisdom I've been trying to impart on you is getting so. Now I know you can't put a price on life.
What is Nemesis doing? Is he just hanging out
But
down
I'm
there?
in this business to get paid. So let's make a deal. You go down there, battle the Nemesis, and I'll recall the goal and sell the combat art. Put on a good show and Good.
Yeah, what is it doing? Is it just like... Also, the zombies that come in from the side. There's too much going on here. I'm stuck. Am I dead now? Yup. Let's do this.
Jill, is that you?
Carlos?
Hey.
You're okay. Let me spot for you.
Good idea.
Hello? Reload?
Watch it, you've got company.
I'm aware.
Behind tank 6. Now, get that stuff.
Ruh-roh. Hey, kill those two things for me. Okay. How am I doing on health?
Here comes some more.
Okay.
Number 1. Yeah.
Okay. Ruh-roh. How do I dodge again? Because I already don't remember.
Number 4.
Uh-oh. Okay.
I got this.
Yeah.
Not what I intended to hit. But I'll take it.
Don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me. What? That didn't hit him? Okay.
Got some more incoming. Look out.
He's not gonna hit me here. Hello? I don't understand this game. I can't move. Like, what am I supposed to do when I literally can't move?
Here comes some more.
Can you help me out here, Carlos?
Number 5.
Thank you, Jesus. I thought it was really gonna screw me over there.
Asshole.
Yeah.
Jill. Here comes a crane. Use it to climb up.
Sick nasty, Jill. Sick nasty.
Oh no. Come on. Come on.
Jill's getting back!
Broken. Hell yeah.
Now get on!
Now that I think about it, the last boss fight's pretty awful too, because it's literally just like bang, 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 and then you're done. Breakfast club.
This fucker to mush!
You're not though, dude. You're not. And I'm also out of heals, which is very butts. Yeah, that's my least favorite boss fight, and it's because it's so hard. I don't know why it's so hard for me, but it's so hard for me.
Nikolai? Wait.
Alright, what do I have here? Let's reload everything. I also don't
I have to
remember.
get that vaccine back.
I think I messed up by not bringing. Aha! I didn't. I'm awesome. I need you. Anything else? We'll take you and you. Is there anything else in here? No, not you. Not that. I want that. Alright, last save. This is the end of the series. Alright.
It's done. Give me the vaccine, you greedy son of a bitch.
No. You print money. I like money. We should make ours an ongoing arrangement. Now drop the gun!
This Nemesis boss kind of reminds me, like this part reminds me of in Revelations 1, I believe, where they're on the beach and there's just giant slimes everywhere. Pretty interesting.
Have you ever seen anything so incredible? The data on this would be worth millions. But, you know how it is. City's about to explode, and you can't put a price on life. Good luck!
Nikolai!
Nikolai!
Go after Nikolai! He's got the vaccine!
What about you?
We're running out of time. I've got this.
I've got this.
I know you do.
Jill's got like iconic lines.
Just so you know, this is the last fucking time.
Alright.
Now
We're just gonna stand here and wait. Boom!
Cooldown in progress. Please reactivate power sources.
What a terrible mechanism to have issues with.
Felt that, did you? How about some more?
Okay. Ow. Okay. I need to do this. Okay. Let's do this. And holy shit, that takes forever.
Power sources remaining.
And now we have to run all the way around him. This is butts, dude. We're just gonna pick this up in case. Okay. This one's in. Don't stand up yet, Nemesis.
One power source remaining.
Stay right there.
Go ahead! I'm gonna put you right back on your ass.
Can we just close this real quick? Okay. Are we in caution? Let's use it. And close that. Oh my god, that's so ridiculous how close we were.
Powering.
Dude, one hit puts me in caution. That's so annoying. Alright, let's finish this. Boom! Right down the middle. I love this. This is, like, it's such an easy boss fight, but it's such a cinematic ending. Like, ooh.
Come on!
Boom.
Next time, take the fucking hit!
What if it lived? That would be crazy.
Good riddance.
It's a shame we have all this handgun ammo left over, too. Alright, we left off with a lot of ammo. I wish I could carry it over to my next playthrough. Maybe I can, I just don't remember. Watch how fast I am. Run, Jill, run. So cool looking. Alright. Up we go. It's crazy that they do back-to-back boss fights. I guess that's probably why the last one is so easy, because the one before it takes so much ammo. I don't know that. I have soundproof panels up on my walls, and one fell over there, and I just realized one fell right here, too. That's super annoying.
You're not going to stop. Promised you this, didn't I?
No! Do you have any idea what you've just done?
No, no, don't care. My client ordered me to reduce Umbrella to rubble.
10 minutes until missile
Ah.
impact.
The missile has launched. And that is my cue to leave. Goodbye, Miss Valentine. Shame you didn't listen to me when you had the chance.
Why didn't she just jump in at any point here?
Jill! Shoot him!
What if he just bit
I
it?
can't! I'll hit you!
Do it! You have to! There's no other way.
Hey, I actually did it. You'd be surprised how many times I've missed that shot.
I told you I couldn't leave you in a Carlos's world. That would just be too cruel. What about him?
Why'd you do it?
There's a price tag for everything. Even letting the world burn.
Who are you working for?
I'll tell you if you get me out of here. I'll pay you whatever you want. You're a fool. You're a fool! My guy! You'll never find out the truth.
I don't mind a little detective work.
Got him. So I don't know if it's canon or not, but in the book it says that Carlos is never actually, like, he's not a licensed pilot. He just kind of knows how to fly helicopters. He's done it a few times. And I wonder if that's canon, because that's super cool if he was just like, yeah, let's get out of here. Jump on this helicopter. I've flown it like 3 or 4 times.
You alright?
There he is.
finally over.
Hell yeah, it is.
So long, Marcy.
I felt empty and cold as the heat from the blast washed over us. All this death wasn't caused by a monster-making virus. It was greed. Human greed. I decided then and there, the ashes of Raccoon City would be Umbrella's ashes too. I would end them, once and for all.
Hell yeah. Alright, guys. So I just want to thank you guys all so much for watching. This is one of my favorite games ever. I know that there's a lot of criticism for it, and there's a lot of controversy behind all the things that were cut or whatever. But it's so fun for me. I love Jill. I love Carlos. I liked them in the original. I think they did the characters better. Obviously, that's a little bit of technology. Like, they just had the ability to make them better. And I am just so glad that I got to share this game with you guys. Even if only one person watches each video, I'm so glad that that one person watched me play this game, because I love this. It'll definitely be played again at some point, whether that's a year from now or 5 years from now or something like that. It'll definitely be played again. I absolutely love it. I cherish it. I appreciate all you guys during this series. The first episode went up today while I'm recording this. And it's also the same day that we hit over 50 subscribers. So, with all that being said, lots of things. I appreciate you guys. We're going to end this here, and I will see you in the next one. Take it easy.